Assalamu alaikum. It's great to be here again in a beautiful day with a fantastic event with these 60 or so girls who are so passionate about cricket. This is our 8th season that we have done this cricket, and we've expanded to Lahore and Karachi. What does it involve? It's 5 days of training, and with the Pakistan Cricket Board, with the support of Serena, and then a big finals match today. 4 schools in total. Why are we doing this? This is about empowering young girls, and what does that mean? That means teamwork, it means confidence, and building friendship as well. Sport in Australia and sport in Pakistan is a force for change and a force for good. It's about health and lifestyle, and active lifestyle, and it's also about social change, about supporting gender inclusion and gender equality. So when you score a boundary here at the cricket, you're also expanding your horizons and expanding your boundaries. So we also support the blind women's cricket here in Pakistan, and my own personal focus is hockey. I want to make Pakistan great again in hockey. This needs investment, and we are looking at doing this as well. But sport is not just about competition. It's not about winning. Of course, that's important, but it's about connecting, and it's about building friendships and teamwork and empowering people. So we know Pakistan faces many challenges, including climate change. We need everybody in Pakistan. We need to harness their energy, their ingenuity, and the potential of all Pakistanis, not just of men, but of all Pakistanis, to overcome these challenges. And that means starting here with the girls and helping them become confident and empowered young human beings to help Pakistan in the future. I'd like to thank the parents and the carers and all the people who've given their time here to come and invest in these girls. It's a great event. I'd like to thank the Pakistan Cricket Board and the Serena Hotels as well. But most of all, I'd like to say shabash to the girls. They are the champions. Shabash. Thank you very much. So Australia was one of the first teams that toured Pakistan, I think in 2020, something like that. And we've come back again. And of course, Pakistan came to Australia. The under-19s have also been, the girls have come to Australia. So there's an active interchange there. We always welcome Pakistan when they come to Australia, and I know the Australians always feel welcome here. We had a very successful tour last time, and inshallah we look forward to another one in next year for the ICC. But of course the final decision is up to the Australian Cricket Board. We already are in contact with the Pakistan hockey authorities. We have hockey sticks and things that we are supporting them here, but it needs, and I've talked to government about this, it needs investment from all levels, in the provincial, the federal, and also with the great hockey academies that you have here. And there are still amazing hockey stars here. But today is about the girls, it's about cricket, and you just need to look at their faces and you see what an enjoyment they have, but it's building their confidence. They are quite confident already, I should say, but it's really building their confidence. And it's one of the great things that we do. I enjoy doing it, but it is investing in the future of Pakistan, where Pakistanis, men and women, can all play an active role in society. This is a matter for the ICC to sort out. I'm just a mere diplomat. That one is above my pay grade, but we look forward to great cricket here, and we saw great cricket today, and I really want to congratulate the girls and the trainers who've given up their time, and I think when you look at the smiles on their faces, it's really worth it. But I'd like to thank the PCB and the Serena Hotel, and again, the girls, shabash, well done, champions.